All right, so if you're getting traffic, but your leads or sales aren't converting the way you want, HubSpot has some powerful tools to fix that. In this guide, I'll show you how to improve your conversion rate using HubSpot tools step by step. Yeah, without guessing or overcomplicating things. First, you need to know where you stand. Go to Reports and check your funnel and conversion reports. This shows how visitors turn into leads and leads into customers, so you can spot exactly where people are dropping off. Next, head over to landing pages. HubSpot lets you see views, submissions, and conversion rates for each page. Focus on pages with high traffic but low conversions. Those are your biggest opportunities. Now take a look at your forms. Shorter forms usually convert better. Using HubSpot forms, you can remove unnecessary fields or enable progressive profiling. So returning visitors don't see the same questions again. This is where CTAs come in. With HubSpot CTAs, you can guide visitors to the next step, whether that's signing up, booking a demo, or downloading something. Make sure your CTA is clear, visible, and action-focused. To push conversions even further, use smart content. HubSpot lets you personalize content based on location, device, life cycle stage, or previous behavior. People are way more likely to convert when content feels relevant. Finally, don't lose leads after they convert. Use workflows to automate follow-up emails, task assignments, or reminders. Fast and relevant follow-ups can seriously boost your overall conversion rate. And that's it. That's how you improve your conversion rate using HubSpot tools, from tracking data to optimizing pages, forms, CTAs, and follow-ups. Once these are dialed in, your traffic starts working a lot harder for you. All right, that's it for this one. That's how you improve conversion rates using HubSpot tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.